Hi there, have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Want to take your raw photos from dull to dynamic in no time? Let's unlock the magic of Lightroom presets. When you shoot in RAW, you capture the maximum detail and flexibility, but the files often look flat and dull straight out of the camera. And that's where Lightroom presets can come in. Think of a preset like a head start, a pre-saved recipe of edits that gives your RAW file an instant style boost. You still have full creative control to tweak and customize it to fit your vision, but it saves you time and it keeps your editing consistent. And here's a quick tip. Create or buy presets that match your personal style. It's like having your own signature look ready to apply in seconds, making your photography recognizable and professional without spending hours behind the screen. If you love getting hands-on with your images, make sure you're in full control behind the camera too. Check out my video, 5 reasons for shooting in manual mode next. It'll supercharge your skills and give you full creative freedom. It's linked for you in the description below. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.